Hello everyone, welcome back to Tabassum English Hub. This is day 3, part 1 of your spoken English journey. Step by step, your English is improving, so keep going. Today's lesson will make your speaking even easier. Do you understand English? But when it's time to speak in real life, you don't know what to say. You hesitate, you think, and then you stay silent. This is the biggest problem. But today, I'll fix it. Yes. In this class, you will learn real life English sentences that you can use immediately at home, with friends, and in daily situations. In day 1, you started speaking. In day 2, you learned self introduction. But now comes the most important step, that is using English in daily life. Because English is not a subject, it is a skill. The more you practice, the more you'll become fluent. You just need confidence and consistency. Let me ask you something. When your mother calls you, what do you say? When your friend asks something, what do you reply? Most students switch to their native language. Why? Because they don't have ready English sentences. Today, I'll give you those ready sentences. You need to keep repeating and keep practicing. Repeat after me. But don't just repeat, feel the situation at home. I'm coming. Wait for me. I'm busy right now. I'll do it later. Give me some time. Don't say fast, speak clearly. Again, repeat all. I'm coming. Wait for me. I'm busy right now. I'll do it later. Give me some time. Now we'll use these sentences in real situations. Situation 1. When your mother calls you, you can say, I'm coming. Wait for me. Another situation. When someone asks for help, you can say, I'm busy right now. I'll do it later. Another situation. When you need time, you can say, give me some time. This is how real English works, not grammar first, situation first. Now let's learn sentences you can use anywhere. Listen carefully and repeat after me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? I don't understand. I don't understand. Please repeat. Please repeat. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. That's okay. That's okay. No problem. No problem. Now speak with me like a conversation. What are you doing? Repeat. What are you doing? Your response. I'm studying. I'm studying. This is called practice, not just learning. Now we do a small role play. Feel the situation. Your friends call. Friend, what are you doing? You, I'm studying. Friend, come outside. You, I'm busy right now. Friend, okay. You, I'll come later. Repeat this conversation. This is how fluency develops. Now your turn. Speak 4 to 5 sentences about your daily routine using today's sentences. Start with morning and then add your daily activities and end with your night routine. Think, speak, and practice. Pause this video and try. Very good. If you're trying, you are improving. Remember, you don't need difficult English, you need useful English. Small sentences, big confidence. Now, your homework. Use 5 sentences at home today. Speak for 3 minutes daily. Try one real conversation in English. If you feel shy, start alone, but start. Subscribe to this channel for daily spoken English practice. Like this video and comment done after practice. In the next class, we'll cover the second part of this lesson. So students, don't just learn English, live English. Follow for more.